Hello, I am Wei Yin. So let me start my presentations regarding to Tech X Electronics. And now I'm going to share my screen. So, at TechX Electronics, the CEO has noticed that our sales performance is inconsistent across the countries and product lines, making it difficult to understand where we are succeeding and where we are falling short. So, as a data analyst, I was assigned to investigate the root cause behind these fluctuations, and through this, I identified several key issues in our current SS workflow. First, all the data entry is done manually in Excel, which increase the risk of errors such as duplicates or missing records, causing messy and inconsistent data. Second, there is no automation in place for cleaning, formatting, or analyzing the data. Everything is selected manually from the Excel ribbon, which takes time and is prone to make mistakes. Third, due to inconsistent formatting and lack of automated visuals, our data cannot be visualized accurately, and as a result, we miss the opportunity to forecast demand or make informed business decisions. Because of this challenge, I propose to B workflow, which is a VBA based automated solution that can streamline the entire process from cleaning and formatting to analysis and visualizations, all with just a click of a button. First, we design and develop a clean, user friendly manual interface with clearly labeled buttons allow users to perform each task step by step with ease. Each button is then attached to a specific VBA macro that automates a core function such as removing duplicates, handling missing values, formatting data consistently using date, month, year, and Ringgit Malaysia RM currency with two decimal points and generating summary statistic and data visualizations. We also automated the process of adding new sales records, making it easier for users to input data without manually scrolling through the sheet. In addition, the system automatically generates pivot tables and charts to visualize trends by country and customer. With all tasks now performed through a simple button clicks, the workflow has become highly efficient, reducing human error, saving time, and enabling TechX Electronics to focus on the real-time analysis and better decision making. So, to analyze the root cause of fluctuations in sales performance, we must first ensure that the data is clean. So now, let me move to my Excel to show the VBA solutions. So you can see that this is the user interface, and the user interface includes four main sections, which are data cleaning, data analysis, reporting, and visualizations and new sales records. So the first task is clicking on the remove duplicate to ensure that there is no double entry data occurring. It takes longer time as it involves looping through all the rows. After done generating the remove duplicate worksheets, it shows a message box that's showing there are 29 duplicate rows being deleted and leaving 1,975 rows in this remove duplicates new worksheets. So in every new worksheet, I added the back to user interface button, which lets us directly back to the user interface easily. And next, we were going to handle the missing values by selecting the handle missing value buttons on the interface. So this step is to ensure that all the sales column has been filled. And the message box shows that there are 42 missing value has been filled, and the value filled is 537 with 78 cents. After that, we will standardize the date format. All the order dates in column B were reformatted to day, month, year to ensure consistency in analysis, filtering, and compatibility with visualization tools like pivot tables or charts. So in the final steps of data cleaning process, we formatted the sales currency. The values were updated with Ringgit Malaysia RM currency, and there are 280 entries were adjusted to 2 decimal places for uniformity. So this clean data sets were saved as format sales currency worksheets. So using this final clean worksheet, we performed the summary statistic. The process generated the 3 worksheets. It includes of country currency, a country summary, customer summary, and overall summary, which display the total, average, maximum, and minimums. This is the customer name and the total, average, maximum, and minimum sales value. After perform the summary statistic, we also continue to visualize the data, and the visualization worksheets has been presents the pivot tables, shows the total sales by country, total sales by customers, along with a bar chart that visualizes the country level sales performance with the exact amount. Lastly, when user need to submit the new entries, they can click on the new sales data, new sales record buttons, then it displays a user form where the order ID is automatically generated by incrementing the previous value, and the order date is automatically generated using the current date. The end user just need to fill in the customer name, country, and sales amount, and just click the submit button, and it will automatically update in the sales data at the final row. So if the user need to analyze based on the latest data, they just need to repeat the same steps from removing duplicates to data visualizations. That's all from me. Thank you.